Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome back to Spanish for Beginners, el baño, or the bathroom. La ducha. La ducha. Shower. La ducha. El lavamanos. El lavamanos. El lavamanos. Sink. El espejo. El espejo. Mirror. El espejo. El cepillo. El cepillo. Brush. El cepillo. El cepillo de dientes. El cepillo de dientes. Toothbrush. El cepillo de dientes. El secador. El secador. Dryer. Hair dryer. El secador. El jabón. El jabón. Soap. El jabón. El champú. El champú. Shampoo. El champú. El acondicionador. El acondicionador. Conditioner. El acondicionador. This one is a little difficult, so go ahead and say it slowly and practice it a few times. El acondicionador. El acondicionador. La crema dental. La crema dental. Toothpaste. La crema dental. El inodoro. El inodoro. Toilet. El inodoro. La esponja. La esponja. Sponge. La esponja. El papel higiénico. El papel higiénico. Toilet paper. El papel higiénico. La toalla. La toalla. Towel. La toalla. Cepillarse. Cepillarse. To brush. Cepillarse. Ducharse. 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 To shower. Ducharse. Speaking of, let's do a practice now. Let's check. I shower is me ducho. I am going to shower is voy a ducharme. I need to shower is necesito ducharme. So, this might look a little confusing. Voy and necesito are two conjugated verbs. You can never put two conjugated verbs right next to each other. So when a verb is reflexive, we put that me or te or se, whichever it is, at the end of the infinitive because it just makes more sense. And this lets you know that it's still the yo form. So you change it from ducharse to ducharme because you're talking about yourself and the action that you do to yourself. Necesito ducharme. I need to shower myself. Necesito ducharme. Voy a ducharme. I am going to shower myself. I normally shower at night. Normalmente. This is a new word for you, but I think it's quite simple. Normalmente me ducho por la noche. Normalmente me ducho por la noche. How was that? A little difficult? Like I said, you'll start to notice the patterns the more we practice translating. Let's do another one. How did you do? Let's check. She brushes her teeth. Ella se cepilla los dientes. We don't need to say that it's her teeth, because since we specified that we're talking about her, she, right here, it's just los dientes, literally the teeth. Ella se cepilla los dientes. You are going to brush your teeth. Vas a cepillarte los dientes. We need to brush our hair. Necesitamos cepillarnos el pelo. Necesitamos cepillarnos el pelo. They normally brush their hair at night. Normalmente se cepillan el pelo por la noche. Better? Worse? If this second set of sentences was more difficult than the first, I encourage you to go back and give it another try. But if you got it, great job.